guys, welcome to the channel. Here we go with another episode. Remember to comment, like and subscribe so we can grow this channel and we can do cool videos like the one that we're gonna start today. We're gonna be doing a series of videos about the banana do. We are stepping up. We're gonna step up on class because right now we have 4 classes for drag racing. We got stock class, we have spec class, super stock and unlimited. Right now we are set up for spec class. Well, we're growing, baby. We're going to super stock. Now it's a very hard class because it's dominated by Yamahas. Basically the rule is all out but supercharger, no turbo, no nitrous. That's perfect for us. The only thing is that the Yamaha have an advantage. They have a faster hull and they get up to 42 pounds of boost with the superchargers. Well, Seadoo, we're stuck at 23. So hopefully we can get rev a little higher, do some tricks, and maybe we'll get 24. Maybe. I'll be very lucky if we can get 24. That's what we got with basically racing against 42 pounds of chargers with 24 pounds. But that's okay. You guys got faith on me. You know I'm pretty good. I know how to do the sauce. Our advantage going up on that class is we are going to have a carbon fiber top, which is 80 pounds lighter. I don't have to carry those 80 pounds. That's like having extra horsepower. So I'm hoping that that's going to get us very competitive. Of course, everybody wants to win. Nobody goes there to lose, but it's very hard. It's a very hard class. So if we are in the top 3, I'm happy with that. You know, I'm humble. I mean, of course I want to win. Everybody wants to win, like I said. We're going to try our best. We're going to build the jet ski. We'll go from there. Very excited for the 24 model because they changed the whole motor, the whole supercharger. So maybe that's our ticket to dominate the class in the future. But right now, we got what we got. So here we are. I already took the steering off and I said, man, what am I doing? And I got a film for you guys. We took the steering off already. So what we're going to do today is we are going to take off this top. Taking off the top, there's only like one guy that does it. In the Middle East, they figure out how to take it off too without breaking it. So that's what we're going to try. I'm going to try to take it off myself. And let's see what happens. So here we go, in a snap of fingers, and just like that, it's done. I know you guys have a lot of questions, and all your questions are going to be answered because we're going to be doing a lot of videos about this whole build into the day that we go racing. I know you guys have questions about the carbon top. Well, this is a carbon top made by DDR in Dubai. So they are available and ready to ship. Get in touch with me at calasperformance@gmail.com. It's 80 pounds lighter than the stock one. Of course, you guys know that if you follow me on my channel. Now, the setup on this is going to be basically the same setup that it was on the banana do when we were racing on spec class. So same motor, same supercharger. I'm probably going to get a brand new supercharger from Fizzle since we are sponsored by Fizzle. That's basically it for the motor. It's going to be the same motor. Now, as far as the setup for the wire harness and the whole computer system and everything, we are also sponsored by Fueltech. Fueltech is on board with this build and they are very excited about this build. We have 3 ways of doing it. Either I can go with the old setup, which is 08, 07 RXP setup with the VTX, which is what Hero has and what was on the banana do. We can also go with a custom harness and whatever we want to use. Or we can go with OEM, 21 and up, complete harness with everything IBR and reverse. I like that one. We might have to go that way. I still gotta talk to Brian, which is the tuner, Fueltech, and see where we can decide which way we're gonna go. I'm kind of liking doing the 21 and up since it will be basically the same thing you guys have on your own jet ski. And I like that. because I have experience with it, and you guys, whatever we apply to this at Fueltech, Brian, everybody who gets involved with this project can be applied for you guys. That might be the way that we're gonna go. Originally, since we had to take the top off, it's 2 taps. Right now I can just lift this thing. I was gonna do it like they do with the super stock jet skis and the limited jet ski, which they're bolt together. But you know what? I have to give props to Seadoo. They made a heck of a boat. This boat does not need to come off because there's so much space. Basically, you can just take the deck off and you can actually reach on all the way on the tip of the exhaust, which in all the jet skis, oh man, it's a challenge. This jet ski, I don't feel like the top needs to come off, so we're gonna glue it. We're gonna glue this with an epoxy. I think it makes it stronger too. That's the way we're gonna do it. All right, so we also have a carbon fiber hood, which weighs nothing compared to the stock hood that weighs 1,000,000 pounds. And we also have the DDR sponsor. Look at these beauties. These are available too for you guys to purchase. And since, of course, we are sponsored by DDR, we have the deck and all the products that they offer you can buy from CALAS Performance. There's other things that are going to be revealed at the Hydro Drags from DDR, and those are new products that they're doing for this platform, and we're going to release it and they're going to be on this jet ski. But it's a surprise. You got to watch the video of the Hydro Drags. Alright guys, so I'm very excited to talk about the sponsors, because the sponsors are very important when you have a YouTube channel. You want to grow it because we're here on a budget. I'm very excited that you guys know that Fizzle was on board since the first day that I got into racing. We got Fizzle. We also have DDR as a sponsor, and of course we got all the goodies. We also have a brand new sponsor, Fueltech. I'm very excited, and they are as equal as excited because they are going into the PWC world. They have computers and harnesses for jet skis. And I'm very excited to work with Fueltech. And of course, my biggest sponsors are you guys by supporting the channel, watching all my videos. And I have to give a special thanks to everybody who does the super thanks. Thank you very much for your donation, because of course it will go into projects like this and many other projects I have. And this is it for this video. Now you guys have an idea what's coming with the carbon banana. This is the first video of many to come about the carbon banana. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's grow the channel. I will tell you guys so I can do more cool videos like this one. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. You want one of these? 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 Stay tuned for the carbon banana on CALAS World YouTube channel. I mean, there's so much space. You can get to everything. You can just basically. Alright, let's put it back up. That's a blooper right there.
Yeah.
Come on now, wake up. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, wait, what did I look at that one? Jesus, you're killing me. Alright. The whole process turning the banana do.
There's nobody there.
Who's that? Hold on, let me close that shit.
Nobody there. It's good.
Nobody
it's fine.
there.
There's nobody there.